Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 gone here and here, you got about ln number 1. ln number 1 you got about 0. This one you got about 0. So we can use about 0 over 0. So that means we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, you got about 1 over 1 plus x. This one you got about 1 over the number 2 with the square root of x. So this one we can put on numerator and then we can put number 0 gone here and here, and we got the final answer. And that's it about 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.